How to make your Peppa Pig book character from a paper plate. You will need a paper plate, some pink tissue paper, pink paper, a pen, scissors and glue. First of all, cover your paper plate with the pink tissue paper. If you want to paint it instead, you can do. Next, cut out 2 trotters, 2 ears and a nose from the pink paper. Using your black pen, colour in 2 trotters. Then stick on the 2 ears, the nose and the 2 trotters to the plate. Draw on the face. And there you have it, your Peppa Pig book character from a paper plate. Why not check out the BorrowBox app and search for Peppa Pig, where you can download lots of different Peppa Pig books to listen to. Have fun!